How to install and set up the IFL sludge level sensor. First, ensure you have all of the correct items to mount your sensor. In this case, we'll be mounting the IFL in a clarifier with a chain and single sensor holder. Connect the cable to the single sensor holder by removing the black ring on the cable. Feed the sensor cable through the single sensor holder and screw down onto the cable. Connect the IFL sensor to the other end of the cable. Keep in mind, in clarifiers with a rake arm, you must use the deflector mount that would allow the sensor to easily lift out of the water. Attach the chain to the metal ring on the single sensor holder. Two of the most important settings for the IFL sensor are the tank depth from the water level, seen here as 4.8 meters, and also the immersion depth of the sensor, which in most typical applications will be between the arrows at the surface of the water. For more information, please visit us at ysi.com/IQSN.